Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the last one for tonight. I promise. If you're getting a bunch of emails from me, from Macro Monster, the E-Cut, and the Replace. And I just did one where you could replace a bunch of objects all at one time. But you could also, if you had this bunch of stars and you just wanted to put some smaller stars in there, so instead of going through there and changing the size, just select it and set that as your master shape. Then just select a star and replace it. Select that star and replace it. You only have to click just on those two buttons. This is pretty cool. You could go through and randomly change and still have them the size of the original star. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.